My child, soon you will likely find answers and solutions that have eluded you for the past few weeks. Feeling more mentally alert, you will have greater insight or better psychological understanding and awareness. It's more natural to focus on what matters most right now. You are more drawn to the search for truths and unexplored topic and ideas. Look to the past for answers, and you might come up with valuable revelations or insights. You will gain a deeper understanding of a question or finally see the reality of a question you have avoided. It's a good time to mentally let go of something that has kept you tied to negative things in the past, or to get to the bottom of a matter.